Visiting a waterfall is one of the most spectacular experiences ever. It is one of the most jaw-dropping wonders of nature to see gallons of water almost falling from the sky at its full force. Whilst some waterfalls are exhilarating to stand under, there are some that are simply awe-inspiring to watch. Now, let's see the 10 most stunning waterfalls around the world. Number 10. Gocta Waterfall. One of Peru's must-be-explored natural wonders, the Gocta Waterfall. At an awesome height of 2,529 feet, this is the third tallest waterfall in the world. After a scenic 2.5-hour hike or horse ride follows breathtaking views of the amazing Gocta Waterfall. Number 9. Tugela Falls. Tugela Falls is a complex of seasonal waterfalls featuring an uninterrupted lead of 1,350 feet and a total drop of 3,110 feet, making it the world's second tallest waterfall after Angel Falls. Tugela Falls can be reached by walking through a picturesque and pristine mountain trail ending at the summit of Mount Os Sources. Number 8. Gullfoss. Once a privately owned waterfall, the Gullfoss is now state-owned and one of the most famous tourist destinations in Iceland. Part of the Golden Circle, the waterfall is 105 feet high and plunges in two dramatic stages, the first cascade being 36 feet and the second drop being 69 feet. Ultimately, the Gullfoss is an Icelandic treasure which will create memories worth treasuring. Number 7. Bandjoke Waterfall. The Bandjoke Waterfall is the fourth largest waterfall in the world and merges into Bandishan Falls in China. What's impressive is not so much the height of this waterfall, 196 feet, but the width spanning 984 feet across. The water crashing onto the rocks is a beautiful, thunderous sound that can be heard from miles and afar. Number 6. Kurunlu Falls. The Kurunlu Falls is not just a captivating waterfall experience, but also a wildlife experience. Located in the heart of Kurunlu Waterfall Nature Park and surrounded by cool pine forest, the falls offer a visual feast for visitors wishing to swim, see endemic plants, and observe animal wildlife of birds, turtles, lizards and more. A lesser-known, but equally unique atmosphere scented with blackberries, wild roses and other plants. Number 5. Sutherland Falls. The Sutherland Falls is one of the most desolate and remote waterfalls on Earth, not to mention one of the most impressive. For travelers wishing to be rewarded with stunning scenery after an extensive trek, the Sutherland Falls does not disappoint when look for a magnificent waterfall with a strong force of water. As the highest waterfall in New Zealand at an astonishing 1,902 feet, this waterfall is a must-see. Number 4. Iguazu Falls. The sheer enormity of the Iguazu Falls is what makes this one of the most unique and beautiful waterfalls on the planet. At 269 feet high and an outstanding 8,858 feet wide, the Iguazu Falls is twice as wide as the famous Niagara Falls. Being one of the wettest waterfalls in the world, you won't have to worry about experiencing a dry fall when visiting this stunning wonder of the world. Number 3. Angel Falls. The Angel Falls is in fact the highest waterfall in the world. At a staggering 3,211 feet, the sheer height of this waterfall is astounding enough. When the water levels are high enough between June and December, visitors can take river trips and feel the mist of the waterfall as they journey upriver. Dropping over the edge of Ollantaytambo Mountain, the Angel Falls is truly one of the most spectacular sights in the world. Number 2. Victoria Falls. The Victoria Falls is famous for being the largest waterfall in the world, though technically it is not. At an awesome 355 feet high, the Victoria Falls is commonly known due to the breathtaking height the water rapidly falls at. These falls are iconic and described as once in a lifetime by many. What's more is that the waterfall has a vast natural pool where visitors can swim safely. Number 1. Niagara Falls. Time and time again, the Niagara Falls has been heralded as the best waterfall in the world. Boasting an enormous 2,600 feet in length and 167 feet in height, it is one of the top attractions bordering both the USA and Canada. The Niagara Falls is made up of 3 waterfalls, the American Falls, the Bridal Falls and the Horseshoe Falls, combining to produce the highest flow rate of any waterfall on Earth. Naturally, this is a great source of hydropower and produces an incredible amount of electricity for millions of people every day. Have you ever visited any of them? Let us know in the comments below.